Tutorial 87 in assembly for CATIA. In this tutorial we're going to take the next constraint tool, the fix constraint or fix component, the anchor icon here, and from its name its idea is to fix a component. For example, we can have a wheel axle and that component can be fixed and the wheels can rotate around that axle. It's an example if you don't need a part or component to be moved. So let's delete this constraint and create a contact constraint between this surface, or let's make a this surface. Update, so we have this contact, and let's apply the coincident constraint to it. This and this. Update, so we have this rigid body fixed. And now if we want to move any part, okay, update, so the other part will be moved to it. So let's again activate the move mode to move that part to up. Okay, update, and you can notice that part again is attached. But there's another way how to fix a part. For example, this product or this assembly can be moved as a whole. If you move it somewhere in the in other axis or different direction, but if we want to fix one component from it, for example, this block can rotate around the cylinder because we have a coincident constraint and a contraint constraint, and we don't need this cylinder to be rotated as well. So we can apply the fix constraint and select the part which to be fixed. Now we have the anchor icon here shown. So if you go to the move, okay, update, so you notice that cylinder is fixed in that place. This again, move this, okay, update, you notice again this cylinder will return to its place. So if we apply any motion to this part, the only thing will be move this block to be rotating on the surface of this flywheel.